Hey guys, today we're gonna shoot a video in the car. Not just because everybody's doing it, but because there is a point to be taken for it for the pregnant girls. Okay? So every pregnant girl, get in here. Okay? So, seatbelt using pregnancy. Okay? Yes, you should always use your seatbelt regardless of how far along pregnant you are. Okay? Now, how should you use it? The same way you would use it if you weren't pregnant. Okay? So here's what I'm going to do. You take your seatbelt, you would wrap it around across whatever the term is. Okay? This top one goes between your breasts, like so. Okay? Not over your baby. Don't do that. Not over your belly. Okay? Right here. Above. See how it sweeps over the belly? So that way over the belly, right in between your breasts. Okay? So it would rest securely on your shoulders, down your chest. The bottom belt. Bottom belt goes underneath your belly, like so. Okay? And it should be a snug fit. Don't put it and hold it. No, hold it here. Don't do that. That's not safe. Okay? Leave it as it should be. Take your hands, do anything else you want to do with it. If you want to drive, that's fine. If you're just sitting over there or in the back, that's fine. But always wear your seatbelt this way, okay? Why? Because in the event of, God forbid, an impact, right? If it comes from the side, it may push you this way, but you're still securely tight and held into the car, okay? Or it may come and push you that way. Again, you're still supported to a large extent. Or even from behind, you would not entirely move away, that you may strike your belly on the steering wheel. Of course, it all depends on the force of the impact, okay? But either way, using your seatbelt is always a better option than not, okay? No, I'm not pregnant. That's just a bull. Surprise. I know you all had the questions when I started. No, I'm just fat. If you had a C-section, pay attention. If you had a C-section and you're going home or you're going anywhere, okay, you could use a cloth or anything, towel, baby blankets, just to put over the incision, because some will complain that this lower belt, I don't know if it has a name, but that this lower belt might rub against the incision, and that's a valid point. Sometimes that happens, so that's where the cloth comes in, okay? You could just put it over your incision and put your belt, okay? Don't make it too bulky that the belt is now loose over the rest of your body. Just put enough that it pads your incision, that it doesn't put much pressure on it, and you can still stay safe in the car. I'm not leaving those who had a vaginal delivery out. What you may need might be a donut, and you sit on it. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you. Be safe. Always use your seatbelt. See you later. Again, it's Dr. Ketchy.